lost, I'm feeling weak. It's like the whole world's over me.
Hello everyone, today we are right here at Jalan Kakatua in District 21. So today if you are looking for a huge piece of land, a detached home that can potentially rebuild into 2 semi-Ds with pretty greenery views, keep watching. Hello everyone, I'm Vivian.
Hi, I'm Hui Ying, and today we are in District 21 at Jalan Kakatua to take a look at this detached home that offers numerous opportunities. But before we head inside, let me share a little bit more about why this landed enclave is so unique compared to the others. In District 21, there are mainly 6 landed enclaves. However, there is only one sizable 3-storey semi-D area, which is where we are located at in Jurong Park Estate. This means that if you are looking for something less dense, more exclusive, and of a bigger land size, then this house is perfect for you. What makes this house unique as compared to other houses in the cluster is that we're on an elevated piece of land at the highest point of the estate. This means that you'll get 2 different kinds of views, one facing full greenery from the back and another facing Bukit Timah Nature Reserve from the front. Since the back of the house is facing a park, you get to enjoy full greenery views and maximum privacy, which is very rare for landed owners in this cluster as we are within the only row of houses that faces greenery instead of neighbours.
Let us talk a little bit more based on the specifics of this house. This land is 7,817 square feet with a wide frontage of 16.8 meters and depth of at least 40 meters on both sides. Based on this, there are a few options that you can go for. The first option and the most straightforward one is to do an A&A based on this house. Next, you can choose to tear down and rebuild this detached home into a pair of semi-Ds, each of about 3,900 square feet with a build-up of approximately 7,100 square feet. Whether you are looking for a multi-generational home or to sell one of the semi-Ds while staying in the other for investment, this house provides you with the luxury and flexibility of choice. Looking at this from an investment perspective, it will cost you about $1.7 million to build each semi-D, and after factoring in miscellaneous costs like stamp duties and legal fees, the total cost works out to be about $2 million. So based on the asking price of $14 million, this would mean that it will cost you about $9 million for each semi-D, which works out to be about $2,300 per square foot. In terms of the future feasible selling price, there are 2 different references that we can look at. First, it will be the recent transactions in this area, and second will be the current listings in the market right now. First, let's look at the 2 most recent transactions for brand new rebuilt homes in District 21. The first being a house in Jalan Jambu Ayer with a land size of 3,000 square feet at 9.1 million, so that's about 2,982 PSF. The second one is at Yuk Tong Avenue with a land size of about 3,100 square feet at 7.75 million, which translates to 2,460 PSF. Next, let's take a look at the surrounding selling price of brand new semi-Ds in this estate. For example, 25 and 25A Jalan Selanting is currently on sale now, both with a land size of 2,793 square feet and an asking price of 8.2 million, which is about 2,900 on a per square foot basis. With the recent transactions and asking prices of surrounding new semi-Ds for sale, there are a few scenarios that we can expect if you intend to sell one of the semi-Ds 3 years later. Assume that you are able to sell one of the semi-D at 2,700 PSF and offset your cost of rebuilding each semi-D. You will be able to get about 1.6 million in returns with an ROI of 17.6%. Now, why am I saying this is because this means that should you decide to sell one of the semi-Ds while staying in the other, you get to reduce your initial investment outlay and increase your ROI greatly. Assuming a selling price at 2,700 PSF, this will reduce your initial investment outlay for one semi-D from $9 million to around 7.5 million, which increases your ROI from an initial percentage of 17.6% to 21.3%. Following the same train of thought, assuming a selling price of 2,800 PSF and 2,900 PSF, your respective returns and ROIs will be as such.
Lastly, financials aside, this house is poised to benefit from the future Beauty World transformation with more space set aside for parks, park connectors and mixed developments. These include the Coast to Coast Trail, Rail Corridor and the Rifle Range Nature Park. You can also expect to enjoy more amenities and services within the neighbourhood when the future community building and integrated transport hub is built. In terms of connectivity, the upcoming Cross Island Line will help to enhance the connectivity of Beauty World to other regions of Singapore, as you'll get quicker access to Jurong Lake District in the southwest, all the way to northeast of Singapore where Punggol is. For schools in the vicinity, we are within 1 km to Keming and Bukit Timah Primary, and within 1 to 2 km to Pei Hwa Presbyterian Primary School.
I said, why do I need to be home tonight? Why do I stay?
Thank you for watching our home tour today. I'm Vivian.
And I'm Hui Ying, and we hope that you have enjoyed the home tour. Do contact us down below for an exclusive viewing today, and we'll be with you shortly. Thank you.
So when I show up, show up, show up, show. So when you show up, show up, show up, show.